Right.
That's on the internet too. I'm going to make him a web page for him. Put that on it, and that's always getting on it.
45s.
None with hub up?
Nope.
Okay. I'm going to go see what else I can come up with. Bob, in the hall. Did you get it real?
The Auto Fan brought to you by AT&T, and we have a picture window in the studio here if you just went to the radio station. You can look out and see switchboard Sherry at the front desk, and she absolutely loves the guy we're featuring today. So I'm turning around. I hope Sherry's listening. She's on the phone right now.
Bailing.
That is hilarious.
What, that I'm bailing out the water?
No, you and Jason.
Me telling them nuts what's the problem.
You can't say numbnuts on the internet.
Why, it's not a cuss word. Numb nuts. Numb nuts. So that's going to be way out west.
See, I told you that.
You know what? They'll probably be just bargain fine.
Right
Where's
there.
the water coming from? Oh, there it is.
Should,
No, keep going. Keep going. No, just look. You got to save at least a bucket full of sand instead of put around a strap over here to make sure we get a little bit left over.
I got more than a bucket.
Where's my protectors from glue? Very necessary. You wear gloves.
Why is that, sir?
So you get glue on your hands.
Oh.
Shit's nasty.